Look, you guys, I found the Pioneer Woman little truck, the red one and the little aqua, and they're 15, but the aqua is more like fall. It's ringing up for $9. Not this one. This one's regular price, but I'm just gonna show you how beautiful it is.
You gonna make it look beautiful?
Look, you guys, they still have the knife set and this kitchen gadget set here. I guess nobody bought them. They are pretty cute. I would have liked more simple design, but if you guys like flowers. All right, guys, these little Ava sports bras are super nice, and they're ringing up for $1. Give me 1 second. So. All right, let me put these here. You guys, if you're looking for shorts, I mean, I live in Florida. I know it's winter everywhere else, but we wear shorts all year long. Or for vacation, these George brand at the knees shorts, just under 17, are ringing up for $3. I'm gonna go see if they have, what else is on sale. All right, so these Wrangler shorts, which are so nice. These are like more of like the nicer quality. These are ringing up for $4. All right, so these are my favorite. These are just Wrangler, but they're camo, they're green, and these are bringing up for $2. You guys, these are $2 as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and stock up for my brothers. Alright, so they also have these, which are a little bit different. They have pockets in the front. They are Wrangler, and they're ringing up for $1. Let me see if I can get you like a, I don't know, they have no pockets in the back, but they also have pockets in the front. I'm gonna go see if I can find more of these. These are awesome, especially for $1. Look, you guys, look how cute this little cocoa melon is. It's $20. I don't know why it's marked. I think that's just the regular price. But look at this alien collection. Let me show you the barcode. And then this little Chelsea Barbie.
Yeah.
And then, oh, this is such, I don't even know if it's a good deal or not. I don't know if my niece will like it. So I'm not gonna get it, but it is a $7.38 from $25. Sometimes even if I see really good deals, I just leave it for other families. You never know. If you guys have a Cricut, this is the best little iron that I found, that it's economical, because I know that like the mini one is super expensive, but this is a nice alternative. Look, you guys, what a great deal. Amazing, just wonderful. A whole $1 off, you guys, a whole $1. Wonderful Walmart. So they have a lot of deals here, but also they have things ringing up for the same price, which I don't know why people do that. It is what it is, but these little LOLs, I mean, that's just the regular price. I don't know if it's like a tactic or something, but I remember at my other Walmart, I did pick them up for $5, and I should have got more, but I didn't. And also this Hello Kitty one, I'm pretty sure that the $40 is the right price. I am gonna scan it because it's so cute, but I really do think it's $40. Remember when these were on sale a long time ago? I finally found them at my Walmart and they are ringing up for $4. You guys, this is ringing up for $9. I think it's like 30 or 20 or 30, but for $9, this is such a great gift for Christmas. This is why I love clearance shopping at Walmart. All right, guys, I know a lot of people love these. I have no idea if these are like, there must be a thing because people love these, and these are $9 or ringing up $9 at my Walmart. So if you're looking for these, go ahead and scan. Look, you guys, I just wanted to show you these really cute soap dispensers, and then they have these little soaps in the bottom too.
They are doing a weigh-in tomorrow.
You guys, look at something I've just seen at my Walmart. I haven't seen these. These are just like journal sets. Or this one's a planner, but they do have journal sets down here. And then the big happy planners down here. Everything is $20, but look how many like stickers and inserts. All right, so this is part of the video where I show you something that I really, really like, and I can't wait for it to go on sale or even buy it full price. And it's the Disney Instant Pot, and they have a different design from last time. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been obsessed with Disney for the last month and a half. I really can't wait to go.